Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working on a BMW E46 guys, and we'll show you where to find the fuse for the folding side mirrors. Now this guys is E46. This is the 3 series generation guys from 1998 to year 2006. We'll show you where to find that fuse. In addition guys, we have more than 200 videos because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, in return all we need is subscribe, like and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. So all the tools and parts including the replacement fuses will be listed in the description of the video below. Make sure you check it out. So let me show you now where that fuse is located. Okay, so we need to go inside. Okay, right here we have the little mechanic, a little bit sleepy here now. So we need to go ahead and open our glove box guys. Okay, right here, this is the glove box. Open it like that, and you can see you have two turning things. Okay, like this one, and you will be able to pull the fuse box down. Now you're going to see guys the numbers for the top row printed on top with white ink. In the bottom they're engraved in the plastic, and the fuse guys that we will need in our case, okay, it's fuse number 57. Okay, fuse number 57 is the one. Okay, let me see where it went. Is the one for the folding mirrors. And number 57 guys, okay, it should be 5 amp fuse. So looking at it, okay, it will be this 5 amp fuse right here. So how you guys replace that one? Okay, you go ahead, grab the puller, okay, press it on top, okay, and pull it out. Now we're going to place it on top of the fuse, squish towards the front and pull the fuse out. The replacement fuses guys and all that will be listed in the description of the video below. Make sure you check it out, it will be very good price. Then all we have to do later, just push it in guys. Okay, like that. Don't forget to install your fuse puller. Okay, because you will need it next time. And after that, okay, you're going to close your fuse box, okay, so you don't break it and cause any damage, because that could be catastrophic for you. Later, close your box, and pretty much guys, this is it. This is the fuse for the outside folding mirrors. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos. If you want to see any specific videos, let us know, drop a comment below. We'll try to make it happen so we can guys save you more money. Thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.